Hello guys, in this lesson, we're going to talk about the different categories on Facebook Marketplace. Let's get started. Product listings on Marketplace will be hard to navigate if it only shows the products that are listed recently. If there is no way to browse the Marketplace that only shows a particular set of items, potential buyers will lose interest in looking for items to purchase. Facebook Marketplace groups similar items together in one category. If a buyer looks for items to purchase, such as electronics, there is an available electronics category for items that fall under that category. People may find subcategories to choose from, such as household batteries, cameras, cell phones, portable audio, and computers. So you may find gadgets that are sold by sellers under this category. Once you go to the Marketplace section, you can view different categories where you can place your product listings. There are 19 available categories on Facebook that you can place every product listing that you have created. As you check out Facebook Marketplace, you can view all the categories in the left section of your Marketplace page. These are the general categories. For example, you can click on the vehicle category, and a buyer can shop by looking at the subcategories available for vehicles. They can choose if they need to browse for cars and choose more subcategories like minivans, SUVs, or sedans. You will view more subcategories as you choose a particular subcategory. This example shows the subcategory with the vehicle's make, like Nissan or Toyota. It will show the make and model with the ratings. Property rentals are for apartments, condos, houses, or townhouses that are for rent. As you choose an apartment subcategory, you can find more subcategories such as 1-bedroom up to 4-bedroom apartments. Apparels show more subcategories for clothing, bags, and luggage, men's and women's shoes, and jewelry. If you choose to browse baby clothing, you can find more subcategories such as clothes for boys, girls, or shoes. For selling products that you can find inside your home, you can browse for the home goods section and find more subcategories like appliances. If you are selling items that fit in this subcategory, you can check out the product listings of these sellers and see the range of prices for a particular product listing similar to what you are selling. If you are selling a stand mixer similar to this brand, you can find similar listings for this type of stand mixer. And you can see the range of prices of the sellers for this particular product. For the products where you can find or sell items, such as tools to be used for your home improvement in your bathroom or kitchen, you can browse the home improvement supplies category. If your business is selling power tools, you can find similar items here and compare the prices of the sellers who are also selling the same products as what you are selling. The home sales category are for people who are looking to purchase homes depending on the location and their budget. Real estate agents can showcase the homes that they need to sell. You may also check the buy and sell groups below. It will show random items from the buy and sell groups that you are following. If you check the seller information, you can view the seller's name and the buy and sell group where this product is listed. Choose the right category for the products that you are going to sell. Adding your product listings in the right category can help buyers discover your products, especially when they are browsing items per category. Also, placing the product listings in a different category might annoy potential buyers as they see the product that does not belong to a particular category. We have a marketing app that allows you to track ads from your competitors. Adplify gives you 7 popular SaaS tools for total Facebook ads domination. With Page Ad Watcher, you can track ads from your competitors. With Hidden Insights and Audiences Finder, you can find high-profit audiences that Facebook Ad Manager hides from you. Boost your conversions with behavioral retargeting. With Adplify's Page Targeter, you can target the audiences and the strategies of top businesses in your niche. With Email List Audience, you can turn every lead into a buyer with Instant List to Facebook retargeting. With Ad Decorator, you can make people stop scrolling every time they see your ad. With ROI Calculator, scale your ad's profitability without paying first. Try Adplify now and go to getadplify.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.